In section 12.5, we're going to talk about the normal curve. In this section, we will discuss sets of data that form bell-shaped distributions and learn how to determine the percentage of data that fall below a particular value in the data set. So as we're going through this, before we actually get into determining these probabilities, which is our eventual goal, we have a bunch of definitions and some different things that we have to look at. So the first thing to look at is when we are looking at or examining numerical distributions, we are going to pay attention to measures of central tendency, which we talked about in section 12.3. In this particular section, we are going to be focusing on the mean as our measure of central tendency. Measures of dispersion. So we talked about range and standard deviation in the previous section. We are going to continue using, not necessarily calculating, but using standard deviation in some of these problems as we're going through this section as well. And then we're also going to take a look at shape. So since we haven't talked about shape yet, that's where we're going to start in section 12.5.